guys, so what I've started to do is section my hair off, and then I'm first raking through my hair, finger combing through my hair, the Raw Shea Butter Extra Moisture Detangler, and that's from Shea Moisture. And then after I finger comb it, I'm going to just clump my curls together as I slide it through my hands. And then following that, I'm using the Shea Moisture Peach Rose Oil Complex Gel Cream. And so I'm doing the same exact thing that I did with the Detangler with the Peach Rose Oil. And then after I applied those two products in my hair, I'm going to seal it all off with olive oil. And so I'm doing that same exact method all throughout my hair. First applying the Detangler, then applying the Peach Rose Gel Cream, and then applying olive oil. And so here I'm just showing you guys the difference between one side of my hair, which I just finished, and that side has all the styling products, and then this side, which has no styling products. This side is just, you know, what it will look like as soon as you wash out your avocado hair mask. And so now I'm going to section this side off, and I'm going to do the same exact thing. I'm going to add some water to wet my hair because it did get a little dry. Break that section into an even smaller section. Apply the Raw Shea Butter Extra Moisture Detangler. And then after I apply that, I'm going to apply the Shea Moisture Peach Rose Oil Complex Gel Cream. And then after that, apply the olive oil. And then do the same exact thing throughout the entire section. And this method is known as the LCO method, which is your leave-in, your cream, followed by an oil. I'm using olive oil because I really like how it seals off everything. So again, you are just going to section your hair, apply water if needed, then finger comb in the Raw Shea Butter Extra Moisture Detangler, followed by the Peach Rose Oil Complex Nourish and Silken Styling Gel Cream, followed by some olive oil, and then the same exact thing, guys. So, product flying everywhere. So I think that's a good amount of the Detangler. So I'm just gonna go through and slide the product through my hair so that my curls can clump together. And then when it dries, my curls will be pretty juicy and thick. So I just got some of the curl cream. I said curl cream, not curl cream, gel cream. Got some of the gel cream. Pour some of that in my hands. And then just slide it on through. Work it through each section, each strand of hair, the ends. And make sure it's all in there. And then we're just gonna slide it on through. Take a little bit more of the gel cream and just go through again, because this strand was a bit thicker. So, not strand, this little section was a bit thicker, so I just want to make sure I have enough product. I got olive oil. You want a good amount of your oil because you want to really seal in all these products while also ensuring your hair is really moisturized. And it's also going to give it a nice little shine at the end once it's all dry. Okay guys, so I put all the product in my hair my camera did happen to die, so I didn't get to show y'all me finishing up the top, but whatever. It was literally the same as I had did to this side, the same that I had did to the back, so you don't have to worry about missing out on anything. I did put 2 bobby pins on both sides just because I don't like my hair to like sit right on my face with all the product in my hair, because my skin is sensitive, so I don't want it to break out. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Now for the hard part, let me just show y'all the back. And now for the hard part, I have to let my hair dry. It usually takes about 8 hours because it is a good amount of product in my hair. So maybe like 8 hours. And I cannot touch my hair for those hours, for those entire 8 hours. I cannot touch my hair, which is gonna be so hard, but I have to do it to ensure my curls, you know, come out looking really good, and to minimize as much frizz as possible, because I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it is starting to get a little frizzy in certain spots, but that's to be expected. But anyways, yep, that's it. So I'm gonna come back to you guys when my hair is fully dried, and we'll get to see what it looks like. The reason why I couldn't film right after my hair dried last night was because it did start to get a little bit too dark for me to record, and I don't have a ring light, so I have to work with natural light plus my bathroom lighting, so it just wasn't working out yesterday. So this is the next day, and my hair is now 100% dry. So these are the results, and y'all, I don't want to touch it too much because, again, I don't want it to get any more frizzier than it already, you know, is. But this is what it looks like, and I love it. Like, it really like elongated my curls. So I feel like if you have issues with shrinkage, you should for sure try this combo, okay? For sure, try this. This is the raw shea butter extra moisture detangler, and then this is the Peace Rose Oil complex Nourish and Silken styling gel cream. Whew, that's a mouthful, but that's both of these together, okay, with olive oil. Please try that. If you have trouble with shrinkage, I think that that combo will work just fine for you, because it really like elongated my curls, and I am feeling it. So unfortunately, I did wear a black shirt, which probably wasn't the smartest thing, but hopefully y'all can see, like, my hair is, I don't know if y'all can see this, but it's like waist length. Okay, so yeah, it's really defined. I'll put it on my chest so you can see. So the curls are really defined, and I haven't even like really picked it out. I probably won't, just, you know, move it over in the back because it was a part. So let's say I don't want to create too much frizz up there. So that's that. I did keep the 2 bobby pins that I placed on both sides in my hair. So for today, I think I'm going to just keep it like this. I already pulled my baby hairs down using my trusted baby hair toothbrush, which is just a regular toothbrush. And then I used Edge Booster, Style Factor Edge Booster. Y'all, this stuff right here, this stuff is the truth, okay? It comes in like all different colors. The colors don't really mean much. It's all the same type of hold. It's just different scents. So this one I think is the coconut one. But yeah. Well, actually maybe the different colors mean something, because this hold power is 5. So yeah, this stuff is really good. Aaliyah J, she actually recommended it, so I went out and copped it. I went to my local beauty supply store in the hood and I got it. So that is that. I really hope you guys like this video. I know it's long as hell by now, but I just want to give y'all a quick little review on both of the products. You already know, as I was putting it in my hair, you probably already heard me say that both of them were really amazing. They both have really good slips, so that is really good because you're able to really work it through your hair easily. So I really do like that. This one is a little bit more thicker than this one. This one's really loose, but both of them have really good slips. So this smells really good. This one just smells like, there's another shampoo or like another conditioner that they have, and it has this color label on it. If you smell that, that's what this smells like. It doesn't smell bad. It smells really good too. This one just smells a little bit, you know, fresh, like sweeter. So yep, I got these from Bed Bath & Beyond. I did go to Target at first, but they didn't have it there, so I went to Bed Bath & Beyond. But I'm sure you can find these in Target. You can find them in probably CVS, any type of, you know, beauty supply store. You can find Shea Moisture products anywhere. So that's that. I'm gonna put a little olive oil in my hair to shine it up. I do want to add that these two products did not leave my hair crunchy, like hard or anything like that, so I don't even have to worry about that for real. But yeah, that is it. I do not want to hold y'all up any longer because I know this video is hella long at this point. So this video should be up within no time. Yeah, let me know how y'all like this video. Please let me know what other videos y'all would like to see. That's all I have for y'all today. Please comment, rate, subscribe. I love y'all, and I will see you in my next upload.